Hey guys, so this is Shanda and Shaden
again,
and we're making our second YouTube video, or actually I guess it's our third, but
our second most recent one, I guess. Yeah. So we saw this video of like the Dolan twins, and they did like a 24-hour like handcuff to each other challenge. So
we got inspired by it and we decided to do it. So we went to Spencer's. you know what's back there.
Yeah. We got some metal love cuffs.
Ooh, look at the back of the box.
Oh no. I'm not putting that on there.
These are the keys.
Should I put that audio that's in it like, I got the keys.
I got the keys.
Shaden, you have the keys.
Then we have these. You know what these are. Raspberries.
Arrest me!
Act like you did something bad.
What are...
Kittle's peeing in it. Okay, Mommy, do you realize you're in the back of this video watching us in the mirror, right? Head down! Get your head behind your back! You have the right to remain silent, or something about court. Shut up! Be silent! I'll bleep that. You can just roll off my bed.
Ow, these really do hurt!
Okay, stop moving. I'll take it off.
Oh.
I don't know how to open it.
Stop!
But you want to get up so you can show the camera?
Oh. I can't get up.
Ow!
I've fallen and I can't get up. I'm never getting arrested again.
There you go.
Am I out? Oh, look, I already have bruises.
But you're strangling around.
Oh my God.
So why are you out of breath?
Because I just got arrested.
Fine.
Ow! It is 10:53 right now. Set, go. Yeah!
Oh God, I'm gonna regret this in like 10 minutes.
I know, me too.
Dang,
Oh,
where are the keys? Where are the keys?
Oh, they're right there.
The keys are in very stable hands.
Yes. Ew! Oh, did she actually eat them? Hey, that wasn't too bad.
Okay, now.
Oh, succeeded. Wait, mission complete.
So I didn't even lock the door.
Oh. You should have recorded that one lady. Ew. You come around this way.
Ow. So we were walking around and there was this guy that just ran by, or came walking by
him.
and he was like, "That's a good way to not get lost." We're gonna walk around like this.
That's especially good for me and Shaden. Does that hurt? No.
Are we gonna get some?
Ow! Oh shit. Wait, we gotta okay.
You won't quite the Jane.
You see a Slim Jim.
Okay, come do the water. And now you don't see Slim Jim. Ooh.
Eat it.
Shanda, no.
Just smell it.
It can have poison.
Oh.
We'll add the roller girls. Put the water.
Go.
Oh, just roll it down the slope.
They see me rolling.
There, we can slow-mo.
Skylar, why don't you let them sit in the back?
No, they can sit in the front.
Why?
Oh, oh.
Your feet. Ew, nasty. Can I get a the grande box or wherever that one is?
The grande burrito box? And what was the
Wait, no, not that. I don't know what it's called. What's it called, girls?
freebie?
Grande meal. Those are burritos.
Oh, okay. You want the grande meal box with bean burrito.
Box. It's what I just said.
You like our handcuffs? Oh, Shanda! We're handcuffed. I didn't expect her to do that. Stop.
We don't want any. We don't want any.
You're gonna break it. Grandma!
What?
Papa!
No way. put Skylar too. I go, no, when are you gonna sleep?
So it's within the first 2 hours.
And Shen already spilled stuff on his shirt.
Yep. Thanks, Taco Bell sauce. We love that.
Ow!
Hey guys, so
We're gonna do cartwheels. Shanda, stop. I'm gonna cut this out.
Goldfish, sponsor us.
So I have to do my left and you have to do your right. Ready, set, go.
Hey, we did it! That really hurt though.
What? Set, go.
I tried getting up, I forgot. Okay, get up.
Set, go.
Oh my god, wait, wait. I was gonna. Yeah! Ah! Ow, I got my hair! Did that hurt? Did you fail?
Okay, I think one is good. There's a piece of Shanda's hair stuck in it. Shanda!
Ew, Shane has gold.
I gotta go pee-pee. So now we're gonna do our makeup.
Yeah, all I put on is mascara, so I'm gonna have to do it with my left hand. You think I can do this?
Sure.
This is gonna be hecka hard. I've never done this before. Oh! Oops-a-daisy. Why'd you steal my mascara? Yeah, and use your. You know why this is perversion?
You're a pervert?
No, I was gonna say because you're a pervert. Jane, I need my right hand, so you're gonna have to borrow this. Ow! Ew, I hate my right eyelashes. They're so ugly. In my left side, they're all the same length. And nice and... See, you don't even have to do the curling process, because...
I'm crying, bro. I thought you were acting frozen. Put your hair back. Your arm is fat.
That's my look. I'm done.
I should do a full face just so you have to sit next to me the entire time.
No.
You gotta put it towards me.
Ooh, I like looking at your nose.
Oh my god, I look like
Ooh.
a wicked witch of the west.
What? Is that my nose?
Your nostril. Stop moving so.
Oh, shit!
Shut up!
So, like, you know that thing where you, like, clap on and then it turns off? Yeah, well, these lamps are pretty cool. Ow! Anyways. I can't, I have to pee. Well, watch. Ready? I'm gonna snap and it's gonna turn off.
Oh shoot, I was late.
Oh, yeah. Shaden looks like Voldemort right now. Oh my god, is that your lazy eye? We could.
Wait, does it look like I'm looking at you?
No. Get ready, I'm gonna do mine.
You look the same.
I was doing it though.
You look the same.
Wait, let me try again.
You just look like you have to shit.
Well, maybe I do.
Ow!
Just
because you got hit, that doesn't mean I have to.
Yeah, it does.
I like how fast your smile dropped. You said, excuse me.
The yoga challenge? Your eyes look like they're glowing. Oh my gosh. Looks like you have laser. Oh, dude, you should put laser.
Oh, I blinked.
Are we having a staring contest or just keeping our mouth straight? So,
We have pets.
this is Kittle D, and he is 16 years old, and he
This is
is
a new
so
edition.
crazy. Oh my god, his finger is stuck in the thing.
Hit the force, don't stop.
Hey! No, stop. Hey!
Run man
Wanna
on that
be?
beat. Go like this.
It's stuck on it. He's a director. Hey, dab me up, bro. please? We just got Dutch Bros. Yeah. Yum.
Wrong way? It doesn't matter.
Whoa. 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 We went up to the Dutch Bros people. They were like, okay, well, Shayna brought it up. They didn't even notice we had handcuffs on. And then she looked at me weird. No, she didn't. She was like, she didn't even notice.
Yeah, I saw it. She looked at you weird.
Oh, well, then Shane was like, don't mind the handcuffs.
She was like, right.
Cheers. We gotta do cheers with our. Woo! Let me get it. Oh!
Viene Diego rumbeando con la luna en las pupilas y en su traje agua marina van besos de contrabando. Y el DJ que lo conoce toca lindo de la. El punto de que lo conoce toca lindo de la. Más habían de boogie and de wiri hacer eje, ja, deje, deje de tu deje, ja, deje, deje de tu.
Bless y'all.
Okay, so we're standing in a shower because the bathroom light makes us look like orange Oompa Loompas.
Yeah. We don't.
Whoa!
We don't. Want,
Okay, so get your hair tie. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God. We like have our hair.
Okay, I'm changing it.
So it is about 10 o'clock right now. It's been almost 12 hours. Wow, we're like halfway basically. Probably gonna go to bed soon. Just kidding, we're probably gonna be up for like 10,000 hours, but we just wanted to let you guys know that we still hanging in there. So and
Like and subscribe.
We decided to sleep in my bedroom so I don't have an asthma attack and die.
You're welcome.
Because she hasn't cleaned her bed and.
Okay, turn the light off. I'm probably actually gonna go to sleep. I'm tired.
Are you serious?
No.
Oh, it's only 10 o'clock. Ew. Ooh. I can't see it. Ouchie.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so now we're gonna make pancakes.
Yeah, handcuffed.
No, you are.
Wait, how many pancakes are we making?
Something like 12.
12?
There's other people in this house, stupid.
I know, but. Oh!
Okay, you suck at this already.
No,
Stop.
stop.
You're supposed to wipe it on the side.
I just did.
See how much easier it is like that? No, I'm stirring it.
Let me start it.
Shanna, you have your left hand.
I'm using my right hand right now, aren't I?
Well, you're gonna take forever. You're already making it take forever.
Mmm.
Okay, my turn.
Here you see us mixing the batter.
It's cooking time, dog.
She extra thick.
What you guys doing?
Ow! Flipper.
Hey!
If you licked that, I would.
I just
poop on
did.
you. Oh well.
Just kidding, no, I wouldn't lick it. Okay, I'm pretty sure that one's burning on the bottom. Wait, wave it around. Do a flip with your burnt crisp. Oh.
It is now 11
11
o'clock, so we went like 10 minutes over, but
Say goodbye to these, cause
we're never gonna ever be in the same room again after this.
shut up, you live with me.
Yeah, but we have different rooms. Show them your bruise. Let me take my...
Open your mouth.
We're free. Let freedom ring. Proof that we had them on for
Good amount of
24
time,
hours.
yeah.
Bye guys, like and subscribe to our channel.